And in a matter of seconds, she was defeated. Defeated again. Beyond her control, not knowing if there was any hope left. Again and again, she was broken. Just thinking about if only. Asking herself the question, is there anything left she could rely upon, or all was gone? Maybe one day, all this light she had inside of her would disappear, and all she would be left with are tears. Tears rolling down her cheeks, impatient to be wiped away. Her heart is so bruised, she doesn't even know if it would ever heal. The problems remain stagnant, so do the solutions. Only words never fail, else everything turns to ashes. Even her soul is giving up now. She says, why me? Even if everything works out in my favor, would I ever regain that time? The time I could have been happy and carefree? Would that ever return? She carries the weight of the world on her shoulders. She had to grow up before it was her time. She remembers a poem that comforts her soul. For sometimes, only words provide a sense of relief when everything else fails. She recalls it and it goes like, one day we will sit on the box of our problems and laugh. She has forgotten to smile, but hopes to laugh again. With her whole heart. Without the worries weighing her down or the judgments putting her down. She will let her guards down and enjoy this precious thing called life. She will let her guards down and enjoy this thing called life. But today she wants to cry. She wants to cry her heart out, for she has been broken into two parts. One that wants to hope and not lose faith, while the other wants to just kill her and die. She feels baffled, for she knows hope is a lie and quitting is not a choice for her, for deep down she knows. She yearns to be loved. She yearns for a family that she could call her own. She yearns for materialistic joys. She yearns for a life. She wakes up with hope, and even after being defeated countless times, she hasn't lost hope. She hasn't lost hope, for deep down she feels everything will get better. She may never be privileged enough to be carefree, but shall provide her children with a carefree childhood. She may never be loved the way she wants to be, but shall love every human being that comes in contact with her. I know she will always stop by to wipe someone else's tears, even when her own heart is ripped. Seeing her sweet, kind heart, the phoenix will sit and cry tears for her little soul, and the tears will heal all the brokenness inside her. She will be whole again. She will believe again. Even if there's a lie in it, she will live again. The phoenix shall and must take away all her woes, for she has been tested enough. For she has been defeated enough. Now she deserves to win. Her soul deserves to be resurrected. Her heart deserves to be guarded safely, for it had been bruised many times. She thinks she isn't strong, but doesn't know she's much stronger than she thinks. She thinks she can no longer take what life is throwing at her, but doesn't know that she has been through hell and back, and only come back braver, better and bolder. She doesn't know, but sure will. Everything would be so good. She would think it's a dream, but it would be reality. She will have everything she ever desired for, and that day she will realize that she cannot, will not and shall not ever be defeated, for she is the undefeated. Come what may, she will always stay strong.